everyone. This is Divya, working as assistant professor in Triple Department at St. Peter's Engineering College. Today, in this section, I want to discuss about miniature circuit breaker, which is nothing but MCB, belongs to the subject Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering in the second unit. So, a MCB is nothing but which automatically switches off electrical circuit during an abnormal condition of the network. That means if any overload occurs, it it can automatically switch the electrical circuit, and as well as when fault condition occurs. So this is nothing but it acts like a automatic switch. So nowadays we can use an MCB in low voltage electrical network instead of a fuse. So the fuse may not senses it, but the miniature circuit breaker does it in a more reliable way. MCB is much more sensitive to power current than fuse. So handling an MCB is electrically safer than a fuse. So quick restoration of supply is possible in case of fuse, as because fuses must be rewirable or replaced for restoring the supply. So the restoration is easily possible by just switching it on. So we will discuss briefly about the miniature circuit breaker. The main functions of this MCB are switching function, that means on or off. This is the on state, that means the knob is here. If this is in off state, the knob is here. And the second one is for the protection of the function, that means if any overload occurs, then the MCB acts automatically, that means from on position to off position. Then later we have to use it manually so that we can protect the equipment from the over voltage and over current. So coming to the construction, so this is the inside diagram of the MCB. This is about the construction. So this is the outgoing terminal, and this is latch solenoid knob and plug out. Incoming terminal, DIN roll holder, fixed contact. This is the dynamic contact, and this one arc shutter holder, bitmel strip, and bitmel carrier. So like this is the cross section view of the MCB. And next, MCB is nothing but it is meant for two types of overcurrent situation: overload and short circuit also. And moreover, it contains a magnetic and thermal trip unit. So both the units acts independently with the brake strips mechanism to open the brakes contact. And the magnetic trip unit protects against a short circuit. The thermal trip unit protects against continuous overload. And coming to the working of the MCB, whenever it continuous overcurrent flows through MCB, the myoelectric strip is heated and deflects by bending. So this deflection of myoelectric strip releases a mechanical latch. So as this mechanical latch is attached with the operating mechanism, it causes to open the miniature circuit breaker contacts, and thus MCB turns off, thereby stopping the current to flow in the circuit. To restart the flow of current, the MCB must be manually turned on. So this mechanism protects from the faults arising due to overcurrent or overload. But during short circuit condition, the current rises suddenly, causing electromechanical displacement of the plunger associated with a tripling coil. Here you see a plunger, right? So by using this plunger, by using a tripling coil, there exists automatic rise in current. So the plunger strikes the trip lever, causing immediate release of the latch mechanism, consequently open the circuit breaker contacts. So this was a simple explanation of the miniature circuit breaker working principle. And an MCB is very simple, easy to use, and is not general repaired, and it is just easier to replace. The trip unit is the main part responsible for its proper working. There are two main types of trip mechanisms. A bimetal provides protection against overload current, and an electromagnet provides protection against short circuit current. And coming to this one, we are using two types, bimetal and electrometal. So this is about construction and operation. And coming to the applications, a MCB is used in new construction instead of the older type of fuse, and the circuit breakers are small devices used to control and protect the electrical panel and the other device from the overflowing of the electrical power. And MCBs are much safer than the typical fuse because they can reset manually and because they handle much larger amounts of power. So hence they are used in home applications majorly. So these are the applications of the MCB.